Sunday, Paper and Glam family. Today we are going to be planning with the Glam Pumpkin Patch Weekly Kit. I thought that this was the most appropriate kit for our first week of fall, especially since we have returned once again to the Glam Pumpkin Patch. So with that, let's jump into planning our weeks. We're going to be planning today in the Erin Condren Vertical and the Glam Planner Vertical. So I'm really excited to do the first Glam Planner plan with me today as well. Let's do it. All right, I am so excited. So I decided the 8th would be the Glam Pumpkin Patch week because there are no seasonal celebrations, that fall on specific days. And, if you are in Paper and Glam land, the 8th is subscription day, and we always have our kits out by the 15th every month. So this is a special week. All right, so if you haven't seen one of our weekly kits before, excuse me, the first page is box stickers, followed by some really fun icon stickers and flags. And then we have our half box stickers and quarter box stickers, and then our headers, habit trackers, and washi. So first, let's put on our full box stickers. So we have two triple box scenes. And so I'm going to use the first triple box scene on the first box, the first 3 boxes of the week. So I'm just gonna align these boxes here on the bottom of the EC boxes. And on the next portion of the week, oh my gosh, it already looks so cute. I'm going to do this next triple box scene. This girl's so cute holding her pumpkin. A little sign that says corn maze, pumpkin patch, and hayride. And then I'm going to use this truck, which fits in really nicely. For the remaining 2 boxes, I like to use them here in this top box and then at the bottom of this weekly kind of to-do list column. So I'm going to use this super cute porch sticker up here. This cute girl standing on her porch here at the bottom. Okay, we have our box stickers on and it's already looking so cute. Next, I'm going to apply some headers. So I like to use the This Week sticker here underneath this column for to-do lists and whatnot. And then the Grateful sticker at the bottom on top of this porch sticker. And you'll notice everything coordinates just beautifully. Then I'll add my habit trackers. Right now I am tracking workouts and planning. When I get busy, those are kind of the first things to go, and they're also the most important things to me as far as success that I'm struggling with. Of course, Bible study and reading and other stuff too, but those things, involve coffee and first thing in the morning, or last thing at night. So I don't typically skip those. So I'm going to use this workout sticker here on the icons down here to mark this the workout habit tracker. Oh, and I did not get that on straight. And if you love these stickers and you would like more, we have a full sheet of workout stickers, and then we have Gym Glam too that comes in our 12 monthly color schemes. Or if you just want to have everything you need in one kit, that's what this serves the purpose of. And then we have the planning sticker here. I usually put my most important task or kind of the thing I'm most proud of that I got done during the week, since I use this more of as a memory planner than a to-do list planner. Next, let's apply our washi because I cannot wait. So to get this on nice and straight, I like to line it up with this bottom line here, and it'll fit just perfectly. And we do sell washi on its own also in a 365 bundle that coordinates with our collections. And then the top, but these washis are exclusive to the weekly kit. And then I like to use the EC bookmark or ruler and just rip up the washi like that. And then sometimes I save the extra scrap in case I want to use it as a header. And then this second one. And for those of you who love our washi, what's really exciting is next year we're actually coming out with a volume 2 of all of some pattern washi. So like, well, these are patterns, but like mashup pattern washi. So it's going to be kind of 2 different sets of washi, which I think is going to be really, really fun. Okay, next let's add some headers. On top of my full box stickers, I like to use our plain patterned headers, or excuse me, our plain colored headers for the tops of these boxes. And I like to do that because I feel like the patterns can get a little bit busy and I don't want them to distract from these beautiful scenes that we've created. So I'm going to use the berry, the pink, and the orange. And if you haven't snagged some September headers, but you see that they do come in handy, we have, I think, 6 left in the shop. So there's a few left for you. One pro tip that I kind of failed to continue doing is I would line your headers up with the top of the full boxes instead of where the Erin Condren box starts, because otherwise it'll kind of go into your scene. And I did it on this side, but not this side. Don't ask me why. All right, next I'm going to use these pattern headers, and there's 7, so I'm going to put 7 across the top of these boxes. Oh, look how cute this berry polka dot pattern looks with the front door there. Adorable. If only I got it on straight. For some reason it's 50% harder to get things on straight when you're filming it. Okay, so we have our headers on, and the kit's designed so that you can use these to-do or today headers down here at the bottom. But since I like to use this more as a memory planner than like a to-do type planner, I like to supplement with glitter. These are our September glitter headers, and they come in a pack of 4 with September, October, November, and December. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the solid headers here and use the orange, the pink, and the berry. So I think let's see, should I start in like reverse order? What would that be? Next, I'm gonna add the half box stickers to the bottom of these boxes. I'm just going right in order. Okay, and then you could fill in these top boxes with the the quarter box stickers. You could use icons. You know, there's plenty of stuff you could do, but I actually like to use the glitter on the top. I think it's a nice contrast with the glitter that we put on the bottom. So I just do the same thing with our glitter basics, and these, just like the headers, they come in a pack of 4 months. So it's called the Fall and Holiday. Oops, I decided not to use teal. It's called the Fall and Holiday Bundle. And then we have a 365 too. If you just love them and you know you want all of them, you might as well grab the bundle deal. And our layout is coming together so nicely. Isn't this fun? This is the first weekly plan with me that we've done, but I did do a planner flip through where I showed all of the weekly kits we had at the time out, and I'll show those at the end too. And we will do a Hocus Pocus plan with me too. So that is coming. Okay, we're just about done. The last but not least thing I want to do is add the little flag stickers. Oops, where did they get to? Add the flag stickers and the weekend banner stickers. So the weekend banner just fits in right here. And then the flag stickers, I have been layering with these glitter stickers. So I'm gonna use these pink glitter flags and put the little flags on top. With the Hocus Pocus kit, we started making these flags the exact same size as these flags on the EC planner, but the first weekly kits we released, we hadn't quite mastered that yet. So there's that, and then same on the other side. And this one, you have to kind of move it up a little bit because you know, if you use the whole flag, it will cover Sunday. So I just like to take some scissors and trim that. A little snip. So you might want to trim your flags so they layer nicely. I did not do that here, and I think it would have been cuter if I had trimmed it, but I forgot. Okay, we have our completed Glam pumpkin patch layout. How cute is this? Next, we're going to do this same layout in the Glam Planner. So I haven't done a lot of Glam Planner videos because it sold out really early in the year, but there are a few misfits left if you want to try the Glam Planner and see if ring bound is something that you just love. No one's been able to tell why they're misfits yet, so they're $10. It's just, you know, the rest, so you have it for the rest of the year. We do have 2 brand new editions of the Glam Planner coming out. We've worked really hard on it, and it is better than ever. The release includes dividers. It's just going to be a really big year for the Glam Planner, and I could not be more excited because this I created for the first time in 2012, and it's kind of why we're all here today. So it's my baby. So let me show you how cute this looks in a ring bound. The thing I love about the Glam Planner, many things, but one of them is look how clean it looks. This isn't just might be the designer in me, but I just love how the boxes just fit perfectly and the lines are nice and clean. I feel like the dotted lines on the EC sometimes just don't look as clean, and they're a little bit harder to line up. And this cute little barn. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's really easy to get these nice and straight. And the headers are already on here, so if you do not want to supplement with headers, we got you covered. Okay, here is our finished Glam Planner layout. So for a little bit of a change of pace, I used glitter on the top boxes here, and then I mixed and matched half boxes and quarter boxes from the kit, then used the pattern headers on top of these scenes, so that still looks super cute. Glitter down here, more of the same, and then just put another little patterned header here. So it looks just beautiful in a 6-ring layout as well. Before I let you go, if you're new to Paper and Glam, I wanted to show you some of our other weekly kits. We did semi-recently start releasing a weekly kit each month, and we started in May. So in May, we released our Glam birthday kit, and this one is running a little low because, you know, we all want to celebrate a Glam birthday, or those of the people we love. So we have our Glam birthday kit, which released in May. Then we have our Glam summer kit, and this is perfect for, you know, any vacation. It'd be great for a trip to Vegas, and of course, you know, any pool party you're having, which if you're like me and you live in a warm climate, it could be any time of year, and it coordinates just perfectly with Glam Getaway. Then we have Glam Weekend, which we released in July, and this is your just fun, relaxing, cozy weekend kit. And then and then Glam It Up we released in August, so this is our beauty themed kit. And then Pumpkin Patch we just did, which was in September. And last but not least, we have our Hocus Pocus kit, which launched with October, and I can't wait to do a plan with me on this adorable kit as well. I hope today's video gave you a lot of ideas for how to use our weekly kits in both an Erin Condren spiral layout and then a 6-ring binder layout. If you absolutely love the Glam Pumpkin Patch weekly kit and you would like one to go home, there's 39 left. So we are down to the last of our weekly kits, and we don't restock them. Similar to our monthly kits, we release each weekly kit once a year, and it'll be back next September to celebrate a Glam Fall 2019. So go grab your Glam Pumpkin Patch kit if you have not done so already. In other exciting Glam Fall news, we just did a fall candle haul yesterday. We have, of course, the fall home tour coming up, a fall favorites / home decor haul coming for you, and lots of Glam Fall goodness. So if you have not already subscribed, please remember to subscribe so we can hang out again. And if this was a fun video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That is a really simple and quick way to say thank you for a little inspiration and helps other sisters find this amazing community that you guys have so graciously helped me build these past 5-6 years now. So with that, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for spending a piece of your Sunday with me.